Hey everybody, it's Ryan. This is a quick overview by this fan, by the company Hand Fan. How small it is, battery life, how easy is it to charge, and kind of all the uses that come with it. This company, Hand Fan, reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give me a little overview? I don't think people have a full appreciation for how cool our little, portable, but yet effective fan is. Who am I to say no, but in no way whatsoever will this be provided to me, affect this review, because I'm just here to keep it real. So this is what they call the Hand Fan because it probably fits in your hand. That's how nice and compact it is. So from a sizes standpoint, it's only a couple inches big. I think these come in a variety of different colors. This just happens to be the pink color, as you can see here. It can stand on its own like this, so if you have it on a table or somewhere like that, nice and convenient. The thing that kind of stood out to me from a convenience standpoint is that it's just so compact. If you wanted to put it in a backpack or somewhere small and convenient, obviously, you can see it fits in the palm of your hand, per the name Hand Fan. It does have 3 different settings. Right here, controlled pretty easily. 1, 2, and 3. You can hear it's pretty quiet. It does have more than enough, I would say, actually pretty good breeze. It generates, kind of hard to see here, but definitely is going to create a nice breeze for all your breezy needs, to say the least. It does come with a USB-C charger because it just plugs in right here on the side. Nice and compact. Seal that up. Very easy to use. The button's kind of hidden right here, so it's all nice and kind of out of the way. It collapses down nice and neat. It does come also with a strap to hang around your neck, or if you wanted to tie it up somewhere. Kind of give you an idea what it would look like. So if you wanted to strap around your neck like this, you can see how it's sitting. The fan literally can just be focused right on your face. And so if you were outside a park, at a beach, amusement park, somewhere where it was just kind of hot, and you wanted to have a little bit of extra breeze on your face, this is how you could do it. Nice and compact, blowing right where it needs to go. Also, to make it easy to know when the battery is fully charged, you can see there's a little blue light right there. When it's plugged in and it is charging, it'll turn green, let you know you have a full charge. And what's really kind of cool, which I was really surprised, is that on probably the low speed, the low volume on the fan here, you can get upwards of 10 hours of use. So it has a pretty long battery life. It's only a 4-watt battery usage here, as you can see right there. So if you're needing something that is compact, has a long battery life, gets you what you need, has a strap that goes around your neck so you can kind of keep the air right there on your old melon. Hopefully this helps answer any questions you might have about this Hand Fan, and we'll talk to you soon.